and welcome to the Warrior Trading Channel. Today, we're going to explore one of the most popular technical indicators in trading, the momentum indicator. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, this video will help you understand how to use the momentum indicator to improve your trading strategy. This video is divided in 3 parts. Number 1. What is the momentum indicator? Number 2. How to interpret the momentum indicator. Number 3. My strategy momentum indicator. The momentum indicator is a technical analysis tool that measures the rate of change of an asset's price. It's calculated by subtracting the closing price of an asset from its closing price a certain number of periods ago. The result is then plotted as a line on a chart. How to interpret the momentum indicator? The momentum indicator can be interpreted in several ways. Bullish signal *. When the momentum indicator is above 0 and rising, it's a bullish signal, indicating that the asset's price is likely to continue rising. Bearish signal. When the momentum indicator is below 0 and falling, it's a bearish signal, indicating that the asset's price is likely to continue falling. Divergence. When the momentum indicator diverges from the asset's price, it can be a sign of a potential reversal. My trading strategies using the momentum indicator. Momentum-based trading. Buy when the momentum indicator is above 0 and rising, and sell when it's below 0 and falling. Divergence-based trading *. Buy when the momentum indicator diverges from the asset's price, and sell when the divergence is resolved. Trading carries risks, and it's essential to educate yourself and develop a solid trading strategy to succeed. For more information on the momentum indicator and other technical indicators, check out the channel and Telegram channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Success with my expert signal service. I provide 5 to 10 daily trading signals to help you make profitable trades. Simply subscribe to my YouTube channel for market analysis and join my Telegram channel to receive real-time signals. Check my track record to see my successful trades. By following my signals, you can increase your profits and achieve financial goals. No experience needed, my expert guidance helps you trade with confidence. Thank you for watching. Join me in the next video for more trading insights. Must subscribe my YouTube channel and Telegrams for more videos and updates.